In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to edit any video with the help of your mobile, and that too using a free software named Canva. So let's begin. So first is I'll go to my Play Store and download Canva app. This is absolutely free. I have already downloaded. So here you should be getting install button instead of open. So this is how you will have to install and open the app, and you will have to log in with the help of your Gmail account. Then select this video icon right here, which will give you different options of aspect ratios. So for the sake of this video, I am taking YouTube video aspect ratio. It will take a while to open. Once opens, you will be getting tons and tons of beautiful templates to be edited. But for the sake of this video, again, I'm going to take a white canvas for you, right? And as soon as the video opens, you'll have to go to the upload section or gallery in order to grab some beautiful clips. Now, I would be going to element section to add a clip on my timeline. So I have chosen this clip. You can choose any other clip or your own clip, so to say. So once the clip is chosen and situated between the canvas at the middle of the canvas, you kindly be mindful of this grid which comes and makes a cross sign. So once it is done, now you can choose a background color. So go to the background option and choose a beautiful color. Now I've chosen this color. You can go for this plus icon right here and choose any color you feel like. Next, I will add a new clip. In order to do that, I will first go to this plus icon and just select that and it will add. Now I will go to the plus icon once again to add another clip on that new page. So I have taken this clip, but now since I'm going to add different more video clips in the same slide, I'm going to go again to this plus icon. And then I will go to elements and I will type grid. So once I type grid, I will be able to create a beautiful collage of different other videos. So see here I get the see all option. So I will open and I will get different design or different shape of grids. So I have chosen this one for the sake of this video. You can choose any whichever suits you. Now, in order to put the clip inside the grid, you just have to hover it around the grid and then double click on the respective video and just situate it in the right way. Same way, I'm going to grab two more such clips and situate inside the grid and double click on it in order to make sure that those are fixed in the right position. Let me grab quickly another clip to show you. Just hover it and it will be kind of sucked inside the grid, and then you can position it as you want. Now, how to adjust the length of a clip? Just drag the side part till the time you want the clip to last, and that's all. Now, how do I slit? Just keep the cursor on the right place and go to slit option. Split option makes two parts. So there you can add a transition or you can make any changes like deletion or something. So when you just click on that plus button, you get this transition option. So you can choose any transition. Most of them are freely available for the free Canva users. You can also do further changes in terms of the length of the transition. Let's do a little more fun thing. Let's add some animated text on our video. So go to the plus icon and go to this text button. Here you get normal text fonts as well as you get different designed text fonts. So I'm going to take a normal text and gonna edit it. You can change the color. You can do the further styling by changing different fonts from here as well. So I'm going to take this tan headline font. Now let us see, since my video is almost ready, we'll go to do this top right side corner button where I can either download my project or directly share it on the social media platforms. I may also create a link in order to share it in WhatsApp status or somewhere, but make sure it is in MP4 format always, and select the respective slides which you want. If you want all, then definitely check on the topmost box and then download. This is how you can download or share directly from this app. Isn't it cool? Well, I'm left up with one more additional feature which is very important: how to add an audio track. So let us go to Element once again and type any keyword which comes in my mind. And accordingly, you will go to this audio section in order to fetch a beautiful track related to that keyword. You just need to click on the track and it will be right there in the music track section. I can also get or upload a track from my own device. To go to upload, you need to go to this purple box and the audio will be coming in the audio section. As soon as you drag it, it will automatically capture the length, but you can double click and change the position of the part you want to be played behind your video. Now there are a couple of more adjustments you can do. You can add a fade in and fade out option by going to audio adjustment, audio effects option, which is coming at the bottom scroller. You can also cut or split a part of the video or the audio and replace it by some other track. Next, we can also reduce the volume of any audio. All this from your mobile. So let's see how the video is looking now. So if you liked this tutorial, please do give me a comment and let me know how you used all these tactics. I look forward for your likes, comments, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.